guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to view private Instagram profile absolutely for free. I'll walk you through everything step by step, and honestly it's way easier than you might think. The whole process takes just a few minutes, so make sure to watch till the end because I don't want you to miss anything important. And I'm gonna start screen recording right now so you can see exactly what I'm doing and follow along with me. So now I'm back with screen recording, and I just want to quickly show you that this account is absolutely private on Instagram. We cannot see any photos or the followers, but I have the solution. All we're gonna need is go to the web browser and search for the website. It calls agmetric.com. Once we're on that website, we have to press the check private account button. Here, it's orange one. And if we scroll a little bit down, we can see a bar, and here is written that we have to enter profile's username. So we're gonna do this right now, and we have to press connect. So you see, here we have to confirm the profile, and this one is correct. So I'm gonna confirm and unlock it. So we have to wait a little bit. So, great. And we have to verify and access. So you see, here is written that we have to complete 2 offers, but I do personally recommend you to complete 3 of them to be 100% sure that you could receive your result actually. So, here, just a moment. So here you see the list of offers. I'm gonna choose the first. So here I have to enter my email address and continue with the free trial subscription. So easy. And the next one I have to enter my data and watch the best videos. It's great. And here I have to register a new account. So it's actually easy, and I'm just gonna go, guys, and do this right now. And not to waste too much time, I'm just gonna complete the offers and come back to you. So guys, I'm back again with my completed offers, and the very last step we have to do is to tap done and press submit if everything is completed. So let's do that together actually, and submit. So you see, congratulations. And now we can return to the Instagram and view the magic. So let's do this. And let's see if we can view this. Yeah, perfect. So you see, now we can see all the photos and the following list as well. So I hope that this information was actually useful for you, and I hope that you can enjoy viewing different profiles. So guys, thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next videos. Bye!